students, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. How are you all? I hope all of you are fit and fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. It is your Nushrat Jahan Miss, teacher of Milestone Preparatory KG School from Sector 14. I am your science teacher. So today I will take a science class. I know already you have finished chapter 1, 2 and 3 and now you are in chapter 4. From this chapter already you have finished reading practice. So today I will take your another class and which is broad question answer. And it is lecture number 17. So my dear lovely students, are you ready for today's class? Okay, good. Then open your book, copy, pen, pencil and let's start our today's class. Before starting our today's class, I want to ask some question from previous class so that I can understand that you have learned your lessons properly or not. My question is for all. I will ask and you will give me the answer. So my first question is, name 3 diseases caused by lack of vitamin. Who will give me the answer? Yes. Very good. 3 diseases caused by lack of vitamin are night blindness, liver disease, rickets. Now, my next question is, what is vitamin B complex? Now, who will give me the answer? Yes. Excellent answer. Vitamin B is made up of different types of vitamins that is called vitamin B complex. I think all of you have learned your lessons properly. Now, everyone open your CW copy and write CW 17, today's date, chapter 4, food, and the middle portion of your CW copy write discussion on broad question answer 1 to 5. Our today's chapter is chapter 4, food. Learning outcomes. At the end of the lesson, students will be able to tell about balanced diet and its importance. They can identify different types of vitamins and deficiency diseases of it. They will tell about the different food nutrients and food groups. Now students, as you know that our chapter name is food, so let's start our today's class with food. What is food? What comes in your mind when you think of food? A pizza, burger, rice, chips, is it? These are the examples of food. Food is what we eat. When we are hungry, we eat food. So we can say food is a nutritious substance that people or animal eat or drink in order to maintain life and growth. All living things need food to survive. Here we have to learn that any nutritious substance, which means any food which is full of nutrients. We have a term that nutritious. Nutrition is what our body needs on a daily basis to stay healthy. We get various foods from plants and animals. In this picture, we can see different types of food. Now, what are the functions of food? I will discuss. The main functions of food are growth and development, provision of energy, repair and maintenance of the body's cell. Let's first discuss growth and development. Growth means the process of increase in size, and development is defined as the process of growth. An example of development is the changing of body to adult. Then second one is provision of energy. Provision means the action of providing something, and energy means ability to do something. It is food that provides energy to perform the work all day. We need energy to think, to breathe, to walk, to sit, to speak, and many activities of everyday life. We get energy from the food we eat. If we do not eat food which our body needs, we become tired. Third point is repairing and maintenance of body cells. Repair means to bring something damaged to a good condition. We need to maintain our body properly. Here, you need to understand what is cell. All living things' body is made up of cells. Just as wall is made up of bricks and books are made up of pages, like our body is made up of cells. Our body cell will grow as we grow. For maintenance of our body, we need food. Now, let's go to our today's topic. In this chapter, we have 5 sample broad question answer. Number 1. Why is a balanced diet important? Explain. Number 2. Make a chart of type, source, function and deficiency of vitamin A, B, C and D. Number 3. What is protein? What are the sources of protein? Explain about this. Number 4. Explain the best way to get enough nutrients. And the last one, number 5, it is how many food groups are there? Describe about food plate. Let's start with broad question 1. Question is, why is a balanced diet important? Explain. Before going to start this answer, first let's learn what is balanced diet. Before starting our answer of question answer 1, first let's learn what is balanced diet. In order to know what is balanced diet or what makes a balanced diet, at first we have to know about what is diet. The answer is very simple. Diet is a food or the kinds of food that a person or animal eats. A balanced diet means eating the right varieties of food with right amount. We need to eat varieties of food to get necessary nutrients for our body. When we eat all the proper food, we say we have a balanced diet. So now we can say a diet that contains adequate amounts of all the necessary nutrients required for healthy growth and activity is called balanced diet. Nutrients are the elements of food which nourish our body. It contains sufficient amount of fiber and the various nutrients to ensure good health. Now we will discuss why is balanced diet important. Eating a healthy balanced diet is an important part of maintaining good health. It means eating a right variety of food and drinking plenty of water will maintain a healthy body and weight. It will maintain body functions If we maintain balanced diet, we will get a healthy mind also. For this, we should also prevent different types of disease and deficiencies. Now, let's go to our answer number 1. Answer. Balanced diet is important for our health because it contains adequate amount of all the necessary nutrients. It is necessary to keep our body healthy. To prevent different types of deficiencies, we need balanced diet. I hope all of you understood. Our next question is, make a chart of type, source, function and deficiency of vitamin A, B, C and D. Answer. Type, source, function and deficiency of vitamins are given below. Vitamin A. Source. That means from which foods we get vitamin A. We get vitamin A from carrots, spinach, pumpkin, small fish, milk, egg, yolks, etc. Then function, that means how this vitamin A help in our body. It helps for proper vision, healthy skin, strong teeth and healthy immune system. If we will not eat proper foods which contain vitamin A, then we will face some deficiencies like night blindness. Now see the pictures. Vitamin A, we can see egg, carrots, dairy products, broccoli, papaya, fish, etc. are rich in vitamin A. And night blindness will occur for lack of vitamin A. Night blindness means people can't see at night. Vitamin B sources are grains like rice, pulse, etc. Then dairy products like milk, ghee, fish liver, green vegetables, beans, etc. Functions of vitamin B. It helps body making and gives energy. Diseases caused by vitamin B are beriberi, mouth ulcer, anemia. Anemia means bloodlessness. In this picture, we can see the sources of food which contains vitamin B like cheese, egg, mushroom, fish, vegetables, etc. This picture shows mouth ulcer and beriberi disease. I hope you understood. Then vitamin C sources are fruits such as guava, amloki, orange, lemon and vegetables like tomato, broccoli, etc. Mainly fruits and vegetables are containing vitamin C. Functions are it strengthens immune system and keeps body working and developing properly. Scurvy and the disease of gum will occur due to deficiency of vitamin C. This picture shows foods rich in vitamin C and we can see in this picture scurvy disease. Now vitamin D Sources are egg yolks, fatty fish, sunlight, etc. Functions of vitamin D are: it is important in the growth and maintenance of strong bones. That means if we eat vitamin D, it will help to maintain our bones strong and our body will grow properly. Rickets, osteomalacia will occur. Osteomalacia means softening of the bones due to calcium. In this picture, we can see the foods which are rich in vitamin D. And this picture shows ricket. Legs become curved, weak bones, stuck of growth. This can cause lack of vitamin D. Now, question number 3. What is protein? What are the sources of protein? Explain about this. Answer. What is protein? Nutrient which is used to replace, repair and grow our bodies is called protein. There are two sources of protein. They are plants protein, animals protein. Let's discuss this. Plants protein. Which protein comes from the plant is called plants protein. Examples are peas, pulse, nuts, bean, etc. It's a picture of plants protein. Animals protein. Which protein comes from the animals is called animals protein. Examples are meat, fish, eggs, dairy products, etc. It's a picture of animals protein. I hope you understood. Now, question number 4. Explain the best way to get enough nutrients. Before starting the answer, let's learn about what is nutrient. Substances in food that our body needs to function properly throughout the day is called nutrient. It is a substance in food that helps maintain our body. Nutrient provides energy to our body. In this picture, we can see different types of foods full of nutrients. There are 5 nutrients. They are proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, minerals, fats. Proteins. Sources of food are meat, fish, chicken, nuts, etc. Protein help our body. It can help in growth and repair also. Next one is carbohydrate. Sources of foods are grains and cereals, potato, etc. Carbohydrates give us energy to our body. Next one is vitamin. Vitamins are rich in fruits and vegetables. It helps our bodies to work properly and stay healthy. It is really good for our body. Next one is minerals. Minerals are needed in small amounts by various parts of our body. Broccoli, cucumber, carrot, some fruits, fish, etc. are the sources of food full of minerals. It also helps our body to stay healthy. Fats. Ice cream, chocolate, cold drinks, cheese, oils, meat, etc. are full of fats. Fats give us energy to do the work and help to keep the body warm. As it is important, but we need to eat fat in a small amount because excessive fat will cause different diseases which is not good for our body. Now go to the rest of the answer. Answer. Nutrients are very important for our body. Lack of nutrients may cause different types of diseases such as night blindness, mouth ulcer, rickets, scurvy, beriberi, etc. If we do not eat proper food which is full of nutrients, then we will face many diseases like beriberi, rickets, ulcer, night blindness, etc. All the food belongs to 6 food groups. In order to get healthy life, we should eat proper amount of food from each of these. We can eat all nutrients from variety of foods in each of these food groups. Balanced diet contains adequate amount of all the necessary nutrients for the body. If we want to get proper nutrients, we should eat proper amount of food and also follow balanced diet properly. Students, I hope all of you understood. Question number 5. How many food groups are there? Describe about food plate. Answer is all the food belongs to 6 food groups. They are grain and potato, vegetables and fruit, meat and beans, milk and dairy products, oil and fat. Now let's discuss food plate. What is food plate? A plate that helps us to make sure we get all the nutrients we need each meal. In a food plate, we should need 6 food groups in a required quantity. Let's see a picture of a food plate. We should eat huge amount of fruits and vegetables. We should eat grains and potato and required amount of milk and dairy products, some fats, fish and meat, and also plenty of water. Our food plate helps us to make sure we get all the nutrients we need each meal. The size of the proportions in the plate suggest the amounts of foods we should eat. For example, we should eat vegetables and fruits about half of our plate. We should also drink plenty of water and can choose oil and fat group in small amount. Actually, we all know that we have 6 food groups. If we want healthy life, we should follow balanced diet and food plate. We know food provides nutrients, so if we eat varieties of food, we can get nutrients which help our body remain healthy and our body will grow properly. We will not get different types of diseases also. We will not face any deficiency and we will always stay fit. That's why we should follow balanced diet and eat adequate amount of varieties of food to stay healthy. I hope you understood, my dear. Now it's time to take feedback of my today's class. So my first question is, tell 2 importance of balanced diet. Who will give me the answer? Yes. 2 importance of balanced diet are: number 1, it contains adequate amount of all the necessary nutrients. Number 2, it keeps our body healthy. Very good. Then my next question is, tell the sources of vitamin B. Now who will give the answer? Yes, excellent answer. Sources of vitamin B are grains, dairy products, fish, liver, green vegetables, beans, etc. My last question is, which disease will occur due to lack of vitamin C? It's very easy question. So, now who will give the answer? Yes, tell. Scurvy, disease of gum. That's very good. I think all of you have learned your lessons properly. Now it's time to give homework. Today, homework number 7. Learn broad question 1 to 5. Write broad question 1 from chapter 4 food. Again I am repeating. Write broad question number 1 from your food chapter. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Hope you will enjoy the class. Inshallah, we will meet again. Till then, goodbye.